A bedroom should be a sanctuary, but what happens when it becomes a source of stress? This space was cluttered and chaotic, the opposite of a relaxing retreat. A significant change was needed, so a transformation began to turn it into this. In this guide, we'll walk through the entire DIY process of taking a bedroom from chaos to a calm, Japandi-inspired sanctuary, showing you how you can too. The why and the plan. So what exactly is Japandi? It's a beautiful hybrid design style that blends the clean, minimalist vibe of Japanese design with the warm, cozy feel of Scandinavian hygge. The goal is to create a space that feels calm, uncluttered, and deeply connected to nature. It is the perfect antidote for a chaotic room, a space designed to help you rest, not add to your stress. Before any work began, a simple mood board was created. This roadmap established a neutral color palette, natural materials like wood and linen, and low-profile furniture to ensure every choice was intentional and contributed to the overall vision. Phase 1, the Great Declutter. The first and most impactful step was a major declutter. The heart of Japandi is minimalism, so everything that didn't serve a purpose or bring joy was removed. The entire room was emptied until only the absolute essentials remained. It was amazing how much bigger the space felt right away. And the best part? This step was completely free. With a blank canvas, the walls were thoroughly scrubbed with sugar soap to get them clean, and any small cracks were filled to create a smooth finish. While this prep work can be tedious, it's the essential foundation for everything that follows. Finally, the room was measured to lock in a furniture layout that would create a sense of harmony and balance. Phase 2, a neutral canvas. Once prepped, it was time to paint. A warm, soft beige with a matte finish was chosen to create a neutral, textured backdrop that feels calming, not stark. Japandi palettes thrive on these soft, earthy tones. To add architectural interest, a simple trim piece was installed about halfway up the wall. Below it, a subtle, nature-themed wallpaper was hung, and the area above was painted. It's a small detail, but it adds a beautiful layer of texture without feeling too busy. Seeing that fresh paint go on was the moment the transformation started to feel real. The space is already feeling so much calmer, isn't it? If you're finding this transformation inspiring, it would mean a lot if you'd give this video a like and subscribe for more projects like this one. We'd also love to know, what's the biggest challenge you're facing in your own bedroom? Share your thoughts down in the comments. Phase 3, grounding the space. The centerpiece of any bedroom is the bed. For an authentic Japandi feel, a low-profile platform bed was selected to make the room feel more grounded and serene. A simple wooden frame in a light oak was perfect for bringing in that natural vibe. To stay budget-friendly, the existing dresser and nightstands were upcycled. They were simply sanded down and given a new stain to achieve a cohesive, natural wood look. Functionality is key, so the nightstand features simple, clean lines with just enough storage. The final layers, lighting and styling. With the large furniture in place, it was time for the final cozy layers. First, lighting. Harsh, cool light bulbs or swapped for warm ones, around 2700 K is perfect for creating a soft, inviting glow. A beautiful paper lantern was also hung, which gives off a gentle, diffused light. For textiles, the focus was on natural fabrics like linen and cotton in neutral shades of beige and white. The bed was kept simple, with a light duvet, a single woven throw, and just 2 pillows for a simple, uncluttered look. To let in as much gorgeous natural light as possible, sheer, lightweight curtains were hung. And finally, the decor. With Japandi, less is definitely more, and every object should feel purposeful. A few carefully chosen items were added, a couple of low-maintenance snake plants to bring in some green, and a single handcrafted ceramic vase. These little touches add personality without adding any clutter. And here it is, the final result. The space has been transformed from a cluttered mess into a serene, functional, and beautiful sleep sanctuary. It's hard to believe this is the same room. This transformation shows that changing a bedroom can truly change how you feel. Waking up in a space that's calm and intentional sets a better tone for the entire day. The warm, layered lighting at night is a favorite feature. It really does make the room feel like a sanctuary. This whole project proves you don't need a huge budget to create a space you truly love. Between decluttering, painting, and some simple DIY, a dream bedroom was built from scratch. We hope this has inspired you to create your own peaceful retreat. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for whatever's next.